Have you ever heard of toxic black mold? This lurking intruder can pose serious health risks to you and your family. There are several types of black mold, but the most infamous is Stachybotrys cartarum, often referred to as toxic black mold. Another common type is Aspergillus niger, which can also thrive in damp environments and release harmful spores. Exposure to toxic black mold and Aspergillus niger can lead to major respiratory issues, including chronic coughing, sneezing, and even asthma attacks. Those with weakened immune systems or pre-existing conditions are particularly at risk. But it's not just respiratory problems. Long-term exposure can lead to more severe health issues, including memory loss, chronic fatigue, and even neurological damage. Don't let toxic black mold invade your home. If you suspect mold is present, it's crucial to act quickly. Professional remediation is key to ensuring your space is safe and healthy. BenzaRid is an effective solution that targets and eliminates toxic black mold and Aspergillus niger after just 10 minutes of surface contact, protecting your home and your family's health. Take action now to ensure a safe living environment. Visit benzarid.com to learn more.